Hello, hello. Hi, everyone. Welcome back. I am Anna. I am very happy you are here today. Thank you for listening. Thank you for learning with us.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone. My name is Mark. I am happy too. I feel good today. I feel relaxed.
That's great, Mark. Feeling relaxed is good. Everyone listening, take a breath. Relax. English is easy today. English is friendly today.
I like friendly English. I like easy English.
Good. Today is easy. And today is fun. Don't worry. We will talk slowly. We will repeat a lot. You are safe here.
That makes me feel good. I am ready.
Perfect. Our topic today is very simple, very useful. We talk about your day, your real day, everyday life, things you do every day.
Oh, my day. That sounds useful. I talk about my day every day.
Yes, very useful. You can use this English every day, at home, at work, at school, and with friends, with family.
Nice. I want that. I want to speak English every day.
Good. Let's start very easily. Let's start with a greeting. Mark, how is your day?
My day is good.
Nice? Very nice. Everyone, repeat slowly. My day is good.
My day is good.
Good job. Don't rush. Slow is good. Mark, how is your day?
My day is okay.
Great. Okay is very common. People say okay a lot. Everyone, repeat together. My day is okay.
My day is okay.
Perfect. Mark, how is your day today? Mark,
My day is busy.
busy. That's real life. Many people are busy. Everyone, repeat slowly. My day is busy.
My day is busy.
Excellent. Now let's try more feelings. Mark, how is your day?
My day is good, but busy.
Very nice. You can use 2 words. Everyone repeat, my day is good but busy.
My day is good, but busy.
Great job. And you see, English is simple, one step at a time.
I feel confident now.
Good. Now let's talk about the morning, your morning. Everyone has a morning.
Yes, morning is important.
Mark, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up.
Good. Everyone repeat, I wake up.
I wake up.
Nice. Mark, what do you do after you wake up?
I get up.
Yes, wake up, get up. 2 easy verbs. Everyone, repeat. I get up.
I get up.
Good job. Mark, what do you do next?
I brush my teeth.
Great. Very real life. Everyone, repeat. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Nice. Mark, do you drink something?
Yes, I drink water.
Very healthy. Everyone repeat slowly. I drink water.
I drink water.
Good. Mark, do you drink coffee or tea?
Yes, I drink coffee.
Nice. Everyone repeat. I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
Perfect. Mark, do you eat in the morning?
Yes, I eat breakfast.
Very common. Everyone repeat together. I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Good. Mark, do you eat at home or outside?
I eat at home.
Nice and simple. Everyone repeat. I eat at home.
I eat at home.
Great. Now let's make a morning story. Very slow, very easy.
Okay, I am ready.
Repeat after me. I wake up, I get up, and I brush my teeth, I drink water, I eat breakfast.
I wake up. I get up. I brush my teeth. I drink water. I eat breakfast.
Excellent. Everyone listening, pause and repeat. Say it again, slowly, no stress.
Yes, practice is good.
Now let's talk about the day. Work time, study time, life time.
Okay,
Mark, what do you do during the day?
I work.
Good. Everyone repeat. I work.
I work.
Mark, where do you work?
I work at an office.
Nice. That's enough. Everyone repeat. I work at an office.
I work at an office.
Good. Mark, do you like your work?
Yes, I like my work.
Positive English. Everyone repeat. I like my work.
I like my work.
Sometimes work is hard. Mark, how do you feel when work is hard?
I feel tired.
Very real. Everyone feels tired. Repeat slowly. I feel tired.
I feel tired.
Good. Mark, what do you do when you feel tired?
I take a break.
Nice. Very natural English. Everyone repeat. I take a break.
I take a break.
Great. Sometimes people say, I need a break.
I need a break.
Yes. Everyone repeat. I need a break.
I need a break.
Perfect. Now let's add easy slang. Very common in the USA.
Okay,
Mark, sometimes people say, my day is crazy.
my day is crazy.
Good. Crazy means very busy. Everyone repeat. My day is crazy.
My day is crazy.
Another word is chill. Chill means relaxed. Say it with me.
My day is chill.
Nice. Everyone repeat both. My day is crazy. My day is chill.
My day is crazy. My day is chill.
Excellent. You are learning real English.
I like this English.
Now let's talk about the evening. After work. After studying.
Okay,
Mark, what do you do in the evening?
I go home.
Good. Everyone repeat. I go home.
I go home.
Mark, what do you do at home?
I relax.
Great word. Everyone repeat. I relax.
I relax.
Mark, do you eat in the evening?
Yes, I eat dinner.
Nice. Everyone repeat. I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
After dinner, what do you do? Mark,
I watch videos.
very real life. Everyone repeat. I watch videos.
I watch videos.
Mark, do you talk to friends?
Yes, I talk to friends.
Nice. Everyone repeat. I talk to friends.
I talk to friends.
Now let's make a full day story. Slow and easy.
Okay.
Repeat after me. I wake up, I eat breakfast, I work, I feel tired. I take a break, I go home, I eat dinner, I relax.
I wake up, I eat breakfast, I work, I feel tired, I take a break, I go home, I eat dinner, I relax.
Very good. Everyone, repeat again. Practice is key.
Yes, practice every day.
Now let's practice questions. Very simple.
Okay,
How is your day?
my day is good.
What do you do in the morning?
I eat breakfast,
What do you do at night?
I relax,
Perfect. You can talk about your day now.
I feel confident.
That's the goal. English is not scary. English is friendly.
It feels easy now.
Everyone listening, you are doing great. Write one sentence about your day. Very simple.
Yes, my day is good. My day is busy.
If you like this lesson, hit like. Subscribe for more easy English.
Learn with us. You are not alone.
Thank you for listening. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Have a good day.